Man, I am shirtless today because the weather is absolutely perfect. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. It's like 72 degrees. The air is beautiful, and I just have to show you where I am. Look at this. Hopefully you can see the lake, the mountains. I mean, I'm in, what, I don't know how else to put it. Like, I'm in God's country. It's absolutely beautiful. And it's free, you know? So, I've got a lot of gratitude this morning, and I'm about to do my Tai Chi and in this kind of place. It's just, you know, when I lived in sticks and bricks in an urban area, and I thought, ooh, the weather was nice, and I got out, and I'll be honest, it has nothing in comparison to where I am now. This is gorgeous. And I'm here. And I'm breathing fresh air. I mean, fresh air. And having the time of my life. So I'm going to enjoy my Tai Chi now, and talk about a big smile on my face. This is just incredible. And I'm not paying a gajillion dollars for it. So I just wanted you guys to know that, you know, get up some mornings and take a look and be grateful for what's out there, because so many people never get a chance to even see this kind of stuff like that's behind me and all that. So I'm going to have a really good Tai Chi. So I'll keep posting if you keep watching. Thank you. Bye.